Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This intro probably looks a lot like the last one, which it should, because I'm wearing everything the same. I actually just got done filming the last video, but since I had this awesome makeup on, I wanted to kind of dive in and incorporate it into a Halloween look as well. So let's just dive right in. So today my inspiration is coming from Pinterest. I just love Halloween, so I really wanted to do something fun. I am obsessed of the movie It. Like, I just love it. So I am going to be recreating this look. So shout out to whoever made this because it's awesome. But yeah, I do want to give a shout out to Mellow Cosmetics. Thank you for kind of incorporating me with your brand. I absolutely love this lip paint. As you guys know from the last video, I got the lip pencil and the matte liquid lip paint. Now I reapplied it and it reapplied wonderfully. Usually I have a lot of trouble with matte liquid lipsticks just because my lips do get pretty dry when wearing them. So it's hard to keep them looking good, but this one actually looks amazing. My mom made Rice Krispie bars, so I licked the bowl. I was literally chowing down and it didn't move. Like, it didn't transfer onto the spoon, onto the food, nothing. Like, it stayed so well. And like, it is kind of sticky when like I put my lips together, but that's normal for any like matte liquid. But I love it. Like, that's all I gotta say. But anyway, enough with that. Let's dive into the video. To start this look off, I am gonna go in with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner. You guys know that I love this. This is honestly the perfect liner for doing makeup looks like this, just because they're so creative. So to begin, I'm just gonna kind of outline the major areas. So it looks like she does have the, like, you know, clown eyes, so I can zoom you guys in closer. To begin, I'm gonna fill those in. So when doing these, I kind of look at my pupil and just create that first dot there. And this just helps me make sure that I'm going kind of right down the middle of my brow. So from that, I bring it all the way down to my brow and create the triangle. And that's all. And I look like a cat. Once I do that, I just quickly fill that in. Once I fill those in, I'm going to create kind of the round dot right above it. Now, it's not going to be perfect. Like, that would definitely be hard to do. You know, I don't know how there are surgeons. Like, who has that steady of a hand to be able to... I don't get it. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. Next, I'm gonna create the like lines that go right here. Now, she kind of does it kind of crazy, so, but it looks really cool. So I'm gonna go follow like what she did. So first, I'm just gonna go basically right off the nose and create that line going down. And I'll do the other side. And then I'm gonna bring it out to maybe, not quite to like my pupil if you're looking straight on, but just a little bit. So next it kind of like dips down and creates like a U. So just kind of freehand it. And you can kind of like move your face as you go. Now the hardest part obviously is being symmetrical. But girl, you just gotta go for it. Don't ask me how I did that. I honestly don't know. You just, I don't know, freehand it. And then the final one is just like a big U all the way to your hairline. Okay, so it's definitely not like perfectly symmetrical, but it's good enough. So next, I'm gonna create the black dot around my nose. And then once you created that, just fill it in and then make sure to finish it off underneath. I seriously look like a clown with this makeup on and I love it. Okay, so I just got done filling it in. I'm gonna go back over it just because once it dries, you can see some of like the bare spots. Voila! Okay, so next she has this like round thing under her chin. So I created like a circle basically under like over my chin. And then I'm just gonna kind of darken it up. And then I'm actually not going to worry about thickening up the bottom just because you guys aren't going to be able to see it. But normally I would. Like if this was actually my costume, I would make sure to thicken it like under my chin as well. And if you mess up, just literally go over it with a toothpick. A toothpick. Oh my god, don't take a toothpick to your face. A Q-tip. Funny. Okay, next I'm going to draw basically these underneath but way skinnier. So basically just like a really narrow triangle. And then I'm just gonna fill it in. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add like a really tiny dot right below it. And I basically just did that by pressing in the like liner. Okay, you guys, so that is that part. Next, I have this Makeup Forever Professional Paris. I don't even know what it is. It's Aqua Cream Waterproof Cream Color. It's from my mom's like little stack of Halloween makeup. It's like a really pretty silver. So I'm gonna fill this part in silver and possibly like do that up here. And I'm also going in with my Bare Essentials Precision Concealer. It's also from my mom's stack of stuff, but just use any like concealer brush, if that makes sense. But I'm just filling my entire chin in. You could also use white. She used white. I think that would be cool. Okay, so that is my chin filled in. So she also has like little circles going this way. I think it might add something to it, so I think I'm gonna do it. I don't know how it's gonna look, but let's just go for it. So you're basically just like doing a circle here, but you're doing like half since it's technically behind this black triangle. So just like that, and as you can see, I kind of like indented the triangle a bit, but you can just take that black liner and just go right on over it. And boom, it fixed it right up. So, I mean, I think it looks good. I think you can definitely like do without it, but it might actually add something to it. Okay, so now that that's on, so I'm actually gonna go back into my 35V Morphe palette. I used this palette to create this eyeshadow look in my last video, and I'm actually gonna go in with this purple shade, and then instead of like carving this out with black, I'm gonna carve it out with purple. So I'm going in with my 33 brush, and I might actually carve it out with black and then purple. So I'll do black first in this palette, and all I do is, if you guys have seen me in any other skeleton videos, you just go right up close to the liner and just kind of blend that out. And then just to get into that little spot, I'm just gonna pinch my brush and drag that product in there. So I don't want to do anything over the nose, but I'm just gonna lightly put whatever like black I have left on my brush just at this little part by my nose. And then next I will drag that purple shade right below it. And then once again, I'm just kind of bringing it up next to my nose, but I'm not gonna actually go on my nose with the shade. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it's really spooky, but still like really pretty since, you know, you have really nice eyeshadow, and then these colors correlate with the eyeshadow, of course. So I love it. I hope you guys love it. But yeah, let's do a montage. Okay, you guys, so that is all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun Halloween makeup tutorial. I know this is probably my all-time favorite that I've done on this channel. I think it's really nice and pretty. So yeah, I will definitely be doing more of these until Halloween is over. So please stay tuned for all of those. And if you did like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And do hit that notification button because I do post every Wednesday and Sunday. If not, I'll tell you in my Instagram channel right here. And I will see you guys in the next video.